If you want to directly insert images out of the camera that you have plugged in onto your computer, then you can go around and then go on to the add image option right here on the left side. Click on it, and what happens is that on the select a file area, you can see that I have camera selected. And you see whatever you are seeing from the webcam that you have attached, as you can see right here. By default, it's on upload, but if you were to go on camera, then you'll see what you're seeing out from the camera itself. So what you can do is you can capture the picture out right here, and then it'll take a picture of the current scene that you're actually seeing right here. Then what you can do is you can insert it out, and what happens is that it gets inserted out over here, just like this. And now you can rearrange this out, and then you can resize this out however you want. You can duplicate it, you can rotate it around right here, you can delete it, and work around with the image as you would with any other image that you actually put it in. So that is how you can insert out images using camera inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.